In the era of science and technology, everything done inside a medical laboratory is dependent upon machinery and modern equipments, counting from collection of the samples till the production of test results. To operate all these modern equipments and machines, one has to be a degree or diploma holder from a recognized medical institute. Likewise, a medical laboratory for testing blood samples, performing X-rays, and various medical tests had been operating at the center of Dokmoka Town Market, Karbi Anglong. But do you know the fact and bitter truth of this medical laboratory? It was shocking to learn that a person named Noor Hussain had been illegally operating a medical laboratory for blood test and X-ray reports since many days with the name Assam Lab and X-ray Private Clinic at Dongmukak Market. The clinic is operated without proper segregation, unhygienic, and without proper electrification. And at times when electricity supply is disconnected, small generator is used as an alternative to electricity and carry out with the X-rays.
Niltumla Dokmoka ke hiti long penangani dingpen ladak X-ray labangso a clinic in Puponlo. Ladak labangso X-ray clinic ang Pupon along ladak Noor Hussain pu ino dabang pudo doboka pen sige bang. Alang likona pentong labangso a license kelong lone lapen technicians alang labangso diploma done avene manghuda me athema labangso clinic along hygienic kali ave pin ason si thekpon long lapen adim da chingkin pik lapen lada ke karan ave pusame alang li generator pen sipa plurji labangso generator sita me kon voltage sanangji ma labangso laboratory long kana si ponangji ma lapen lahai same angton pen kature thepi ason si thekpon long lason pulote kesu kiun e tum bhan laposon x-ray report jong si mesen ang thek langkle pulote lada kesu ki ponatum Tangnat labangso ang tek long pon pelo lasi manghuda me lasi lahai atum phan ilitum kelang talipon kenang sot pusinil tum mathadamlo athema lang likona pesin labangso laboratory technician labangso diploma ke enlone thangda chini de.
As per the report of Noor Hussain, he informed that he do not possess any laboratory technician diploma, nor does he has a license to operate the X-ray machine. Despite operating the laboratory illegally, he take heavy charges from his lab from the patients. In place of rupees 200 or 300, he charged rupees 1500 to 2000 for X-ray reports. When our correspondent went for inspection of the laboratory, the owner, Noor Hussain, blatantly tried to compromise with our correspondent and also tried to offer bribe. Here is a visual.
Putak ilitum lang dun si labangso ritarlip dun vek nangji athema ilitum phan patient atum phan labangso anam sita me alang li pharo pho pen suri ni aposon se enpon bom athema x-ray report ke non make 250 si enpon vek nangji athema labangke ake ngari anchor lang non make labangso x-ray machine ke ladake sita me ladak bangke suri si thame enpon bom boson se thepon la penilitum karming long life pen ke homri dam hodili phan same bribe na pg mate ghus na pg mate nil phan same tangka pen nang Bye Fazini Panda Nang Bor Irong. No, okay, then open. Become John, carving long life.
Look at the visual. How blatantly the owner of the clinic, Noor Hussain, took out the cash from his wallet and tried to offer bribe to a journalist. Noor Hussain didn't disclose upon whose referral and suggestion he was operating the clinic, but he certainly confessed that he doesn't possess any legal documents to operate the clinic, nor he owned any paramedical, lab technician degree or diploma. A person without legal documents operating a clinic is a threat to everyone. Therefore, the concerned authority must strictly intervene into this matter before it is too late. Bikram Teron's report from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live.